This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 41 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Haven Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, external shower, air conditioning, TV, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, awning, smoke detector, Colorado detector, LP detector, stove top burner, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Mountain Aire 4118 is built on a Spartan K3 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins X12 500 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.